So here's a quick video of how to change a truck opener button that is worn off, like in my case, and yeah, just follow along. All you need to do is get a primer tool and pop out. Alright, so the button is removed and you have two clips here and two clips here, which you remove with sharp tool or screwdriver or something. And here's the new button. That's the old one, new one, and the old one. So it's back clipped in and we need to reinstall it back into place. So it's connected back to the place and you just push it back in. And that is how you replace your trunk button to the new one. If you need parts like this or any other modding or tuning part for BMW, check out the www.bmwmods.com for the parts that you need. Yeah, thank you for watching this one. See you soon.